The tax relief workshops are hosted by many members of the Board of Supervisors each spring. It's for property tax relief for the elderly and disabled. The workshops are staffed by folks from the Department of Tax Administration under Desiree Baltimore. She's our program manager. They're there to help answer questions, provide applications, help fill out applications, and really just help folks step through the process of applying.
Fairfax County provides real estate tax relief and car tax relief to residents who are either 65 or older or permanently and totally disabled and meet the income and asset eligibility requirements. Qualified taxpayers also may be eligible for rental grants.
April 1st each year is the deadline for filing. We start sending out applications in January each year. We do accept late applications for hardship conditions or first-time applicants.
One of the Department of Tax Administration's most important goals is to provide first-rate customer service to the residents it serves. DTA's tax relief experts work hard to ensure that the application process works as smoothly as possible for everyone through quick and efficient service.
The need's more one of customer service. The board recognizes it's difficult for some of the elderly and disabled to come to a centralized location. So we go out to their decentralized offices and help them there. Some of the financial documentation can also be confusing, so it's helpful to have staff actually helping you fill out the applications.
For more information on tax relief, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov/DTA or call 703-222-8234.